Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Grilled Ratatouille Linguine. Ingredients: 12 ounces linguine, 2 small zucchini, 1 small eggplant, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 1 red onion, cut into rounds, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, pepper, grated Parmesan. Directions: 1. Heat grill on medium-high. Cook linguine per package directions. 2. Meanwhile, brush zucchini, eggplant, peppers, and red onion with oil and season with 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. 3. Grill until just tender, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Transfer to a cutting board and cut into pieces. 4. Toss linguine with grilled vegetables, drizzling with more oil as desired. Top with grated Parmesan and basil. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite product. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.